A journey to the edge of the universe. Imagine stepping into a spaceship, unlike anything humans have ever built. A craft capable of traveling faster than light, defying the limits of time and space. What would we see if we embarked on a journey to the very edge of the universe? What mysteries await in the farthest reaches of existence, places where galaxies vanish, time bends, and reality itself may break down? Strap in. This is the ultimate journey, one that will take us beyond the known, beyond imagination, and perhaps beyond the very fabric of our universe. Leaving Earth. The first steps. Our journey begins here, on the blue planet we call home. As we leave Earth, the first thing we witness is the vast, silent emptiness of space. The moon drifts beneath us, barren and lifeless. Within minutes we pass Mars, a frozen world still hiding secrets beneath its red deserts. Accelerating, we soar beyond Jupiter and its swirling storms. We glimpse Europa, an icy moon that may hold alien oceans beneath its frozen crust. Saturn looms ahead, its stunning rings stretching for hundreds of thousands of miles. But this is just the beginning. The outer solar system fades behind us as we enter true interstellar space. Leaving the solar system. Interstellar travel. The last traces of the sun's influence fade. We pass the Oort cloud, a vast shell of icy bodies marking the true boundary of our solar system. From here, our journey speeds up, beyond the limits of human space probes. We approach Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to our own. If we traveled at the speed of today's rockets, it would take us over 70,000 years to get here. But at the speed of light, it's a mere 4.3 years away. Beyond Alpha Centauri, we plunge into the Milky Way, a city of stars with over 100 billion suns. We witness dazzling nebulas, ancient star clusters, and strange rogue planets drifting between solar systems. But we're not stopping here. The Milky Way is just one galaxy. Our destination lies much, much farther away. Leaving the Milky Way. Intergalactic exploration. At 1 million light-years from Earth, the Milky Way shrinks behind us. We now see it as a swirling disk, immense and glowing in the void. But it is only one of 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. We pass the Andromeda Galaxy, a twin to our Milky Way. It's on a collision course with us, destined to merge in 4.5 billion years. We continue outward, seeing dwarf galaxies and colossal elliptical giants containing trillions of stars. As we journey deeper into space, we encounter quasars, blazing beacons powered by supermassive black holes, their energy outshining entire galaxies. The cosmic web, the structure of the universe. At 1 billion light-years from Earth, we start to notice a pattern. Galaxies are not scattered randomly. Instead, they form enormous filaments woven together like a cosmic web. The Laniakea supercluster, home to the Milky Way, is just one node in this massive structure. Each filament stretches for hundreds of millions of light-years, separated by vast cosmic voids, regions so empty that a spaceship could drift for eternity without encountering a single atom. Beyond this, something strange begins to happen. Approaching the edge, strangeness beyond. At 13.8 billion light-years from Earth, we reach the cosmic horizon, the edge of what we can observe. Beyond this point, light from distant galaxies has not had enough time to reach us since the birth of the universe. But what if we could go even farther? What would we see? Some scientists believe the universe doesn't end here. Instead, it extends infinitely or even loops back on itself. Others speculate that beyond this horizon, there could be an entirely different universe, a parallel reality cut off from our own. Even more mysterious is the possibility that the laws of physics themselves could change at the universe's edge. Could time flow backward? Could gravity stop working? Could we encounter entire regions where space itself fractures into something beyond our understanding? The unknown beyond. There's one final mystery. What lies outside our universe? Some theories suggest that our universe is just one bubble in an endless multiverse, each universe with its own rules, dimensions, and even intelligent civilizations completely different from anything we know. Or perhaps the universe is finite, but expanding to something even stranger, something beyond space and time. Returning home. We have traveled across billions of light years, witnessing the structure of the cosmos itself. But now it's time to return. As we speed back toward Earth, the galaxies blur into streaks of light. The Milky Way grows larger, until we finally see our sun, a tiny yellow star among countless others. And then there it is, Earth, a fragile blue world floating in the infinite dark. We have ventured to the edge of the universe and back. But perhaps the greatest mystery isn't in the stars. It's right here, on this little planet we call home. Because for all our exploration, we still don't know, why does the universe exist at all? Maybe one day we'll find the answer. Until then, the journey continues.